Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We're at it again. All right, this is a maiden voyage for this little trailer right here. This is actually the second trailer that I built. We built it for my daughter. It's been to Florida and back and all over Utah in the mountains, through Texas and whatever else. But anyway, this was a this was a Tractor Supply 5x8 utility trailer that we picked up. We built that box for it. It's a 5x8 box. It fits a queen size bed inside, and originally it had a leaf spring suspension and a 2,000-pound axle. Take a quick look. You can see some modifications there. Look at that suspension, you guys. That's got the backcountry suspension on it. And look at that. This is the maiden voyage. We're taking it out. I'll show you some trail ride with this thing, but it rides like you'd expect it to do. That suspension is primo. I am super excited. And this thing, well, you can't tell right here, but it's only about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wider than what my machine is. So I don't know, I like it. Let's go camping, you guys. Check it out. Thanks for watching Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's go. Yeah, I'd say that trailer will go just about anywhere. Kind of cool. I think we have arrived. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful meadow out there. It's called Henry's Hollow, by the way. Cabin lots available soon. One available right now. More coming soon. However, that's not why we're here. Well, I mean, it is why we're here, but this is why we're here. Check it out. We made it. Dig some of this trail ride, you guys. I pretty much say this thing will go anywhere. Let's, yeah, I don't know. Let's give you the rundown of the inside. So when I built this, I built it for my daughter, who at the time had 2 kids and bunk beds. So there was bunk beds for her 2 little kids. She now has 3, and it does not serve a purpose. 5 feet wide, queen-sized bed inside here. I've got a queen mattress here. My sleeping bag. This is another mattress that I just threw in so that I can have some extra padding. Because, you know, getting old and that kind of stuff. So anyway, check it out. We got the 12-volt port right here. This is running the refrigerator down here. Maybe. What happened here? We come unplugged. Oh, there we go. We came unplugged. The fridge is down to 32 degrees. Nice. So my next job is to build some cabinet doors for the front of that. And we got the fan switched out, you guys. Check this out. We got the 6-speed reversible fan. And you guys, this fan is so economical. Economical. It's a good fan. Reach it. Turn it on. Listen to that. Nice. And let's go to the back here. So the back door opens up wide. This is kind of a little table. Probably should have a support underneath it. Also back here, you guys, check it out. We got all of the power, all of the lights, 12-volt socket, USB sockets, all the good stuff. Power is set up there. The fuse panel is on this side. 100 amp hour lithium battery, solar charge controller up there. We have 12-volt port back here with more USBs. And check it out up on the top there. That's 200 watts of solar, keeping everything alive. So, let me know what you guys think of this little trailer. This is actually the second trailer that I ever built. And then we modified the suspension, of course, I told you that. It is amazing. That's the setup for the night. Let me know what you guys think of the setup now. I like the size of that trailer, but I really like my little black trailer. This one is about 200 pounds heavier than my little black ones. Anyway, like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. We're camping at Henry's Hollow. It's awesome. I think now's the perfect time of the evening. Let's warm up some water to have some peak refuel. Tonight we're doing chicken Alfredo pasta. Look at that sunset. Oh. Let's see if this little stove here will light. Hey, we're in good shape. Nice. Wow. I'm gonna move that camera around so you can see what I'm looking at. Woo! There's only one way it gets better than this. I mean, if I have to tell you, then you wouldn't know. But this is amazing. Okay, cool. So this was a bunch of my daughter's stuff that she left in there. And look, I got measuring cup. So I got 8 ounces right there. Check it out. We're gonna fill that thing up to 8 ounces. We're gonna drop it in our chicken Alfredo, and we're gonna have some supper. We got enough light to kind of do a little bit of a video for the night. Fire's going on. I'm about ready to sit down and eat some. Okay, that chair isn't great in the really soft dirt. Let's try a spot right over here. Oh, that's too close to the fire. Okay. Let's stir up the chicken Alfredo. I think it turned into soup. 8 ounces. Probably could have been 6. But if I don't have my own freeze-dried meals, I enjoy the Peak Refuel meals. Just such good flavor. The chicken Alfredo pasta, that's a good one. Here are the cows down in the valley. I hope I don't have to hear that all night. Well, I'm only on a one-night stand with this trailer. You can see, I mean, check out the interior. How cool is that? Anyway, I got to get some doors made for up here. I'm going to do something a little bit nicer with those bunk beds. But, yeah. I think I'm going to sleep good tonight, you guys. I'll catch you guys in the morning, let you know how it was. Well, you can imagine how last night went with memory foam and another pad, and I ran the fan all night long, and it was great. Look at this. Virtually no power loss. That lithium battery, That's good stuff. We're gonna cook up some breakfast and enjoy the scenery for a few minutes. And then we're gonna beat feet down the hill. Okay, let's see if that camera will stay put. Breakfast skillet. Ooh. Tortillas. And tapatio. Wow, check that out. We're just gonna dump some right on there. That's a lot of food, you guys. That breakfast skillet packet, it is loaded. Loaded. Oh, I can't wait. All right, there you go, you guys. Big refuel and a tortilla. Mom says don't talk with your mouth full, though. Breakfast was delicious. The caffeine is working. And I'm gonna get that old girl hooked up and go to work. Ugh. It's all good. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's do this again real soon. We'll catch you on the next one.